So Boxcutter is an active tool, meaning that you can change to any other active tool or even exit Boxcutter by just pressing W and switching back to the select active tool. However, in edit mode, you can also enable Boxcutter by pressing Alt W or selecting the active tool. Whenever you're in Boxcutter, you can use it slightly different than you would in object mode. Like right now, you can see I'm using edit mode Boxcutter, but object mode I'm not using Boxcutter. And I can even set up special options inside of edit mode that are different than the options that I have in object mode. So here I'm using destructive box cutter in edit mode, but in object mode I'm using non-destructive box cutter. So it's just two different box cutters in each hand, both giving me a very different result. However, a user reported that there was an issue with make that was now resolved, allowing users to now use make in edit mode without issue. I'm not sure what caused that, but just glad to announce that we finally got that resolved. So if you're using Boxcutter in edit mode, like you're seeing me do here, and you're wanting to use make, just know that make is now supported in edit mode the way it's supposed to.